Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover design menu. Let's begin. There are two sections. First section is document formatting. Second section is page background. Let's begin with first section. That is document formatting. Under themes, we can use Office themes. Also, we can reset a theme from template. Browse for themes. And save current theme. Under style sets, we can see style set used in current document. Built-in style sets. Also, we can reset to the default style set. And save as a new style set. Under colors, we can use Office colors. Or customize colors. Under fonts, we can use Office fonts. Or customize fonts. Under paragraph spacing, we can use default style set. Or we can use built-in paragraph spacings. Also, we can use custom paragraph spacing. Under effects, we can use different Office effects. Also, we can set document properties applies as a default. Next section is page background. Under watermark, we can add built-in watermark. More watermark from office.com. Custom watermark. Remove watermark. And save selection to watermark gallery. Under page colors, we can add theme colors, standard colors, recent colors, no color, more color, and fill effects. Under fill effects, there are 4 tabs. Under gradient tab, we can set colors, transparency, different shading styles, variants. We can see sample and rotate fill effects with shape option. Next tab is texture, where we can add textures. Next tab is pattern, where we can add different patterns with foreground color and background color. Next tab is picture, where we can add picture with option lock picture aspect ratio. Next option is page borders. There are 3 tabs. Under Borders tab, we can select setting like none, box, shadow, 3D and custom. We can set style, color, and width. Also, we can see preview of settings applied. We can apply these settings to text or paragraph. Under Options, we can add top, bottom, left and right from text. Also, we can see preview. Next tab is Page Borders. We can select settings, style, color, width, and art. We can see preview and apply these changes to whole document, this section first page only, and this section all except first page. Next tab is shading. We can fill color, add pattern style, and color. We can see preview and apply these changes to text and paragraph. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Word interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.